Good day, sir. My name is Michael Reyes Kaipang
I'm Ruby Kaipang
from
from
Vicente
Vicente
Section
Section
Study. We are going to perform marine communication process. What is the name of your vessel and call sign identification?
The name of my vessel is MSC Manzanalia call sign Charlie Cubic Mike Eco Navigation 9 core 28 9 core 9 core 60. Spell the name of your vessel.
MSC, Mike, Alpha, November, Zulu, Alpha, November, India, Lima, Lima, Alpha. What is your flag state?
My flag state is Panama. What is your position?
My position is 36 degrees 48 minutes 0.28 north, 00 degrees 51 minute 10 degrees 46 west. What is your present course and speed?
My present course is 255 degrees. My speed is 127.7 knots. From what direction are you approaching?
I am approaching from the east. What is your part of destination port?
My port of decision is Anchor. What was your last port of all?
My last port of call was on Anchor. What is your ETA and position?
36 degrees 04 minutes north, 005 degrees 20 minutes west. My ETA is 10 o'clock OTC. What is your ETA from Anchor?
My ETA from Anchor is 7 o'clock UTC. What is your drop forward AFT?
My drop forward AFT is 9.4 meters. AFT is 9.8 meters. What is your present maximum drop?
My present maximum draft is 9.8 meters. What is your freeboard?
My freeboard is 6.3 meters. What is your air draft?
My air draft is 35.5 meters. Are you underway?
Yes, I am underway. No, I am not underway. I am ready to get underway. My full maneuvering speed is 17 knots. What is your cargo?
My cargo is general cargo containers. Do you carry any dangerous goods?
Yes, I carry the FF dangerous goods 345 kilograms tons. IMO class 8 and 9. No, I do not carry any dangerous goods. Do you have any differentiations, restrictions?
No, I have no defenses and restrictions. Yes, I have the deficiencies and restrictions. I am MB is constrained by draft. The maximum permit draft is 12.3 meters. Do you have any list?
Yes, I have a list to port starboard of 3 degrees. No, I have no list. Are you on even keel?
Yes, I am even keel. I am on even keel. No, I am trimmed by the head and stern.
That's all, sir. Thank you.